My name is Dr. Gary Goldfaden, dermatologist, and many patients that come to my office ask me how they can keep their skin healthy and youthful looking as long as possible. There is a certain regimen that I ask them to follow and recommend, and if they do this, I think they might continue to see youthful, healthy skin as they follow the steps. The regimen would include 5 steps. The first would be cleansing of the skin. Appropriate cleansing is important with a relatively mild type of soap that is capable of removing the dirt, debris, any makeup, moisturizers, or any oil that might be on the skin from your normal daily activities. Step number 2 in the regimen would be exfoliation of the skin. Exfoliation would be the removal of dead skin cells from the outer surface of the skin, which can be done with a machine in a doctor's office or through many home types of preparations which are available, such as self-microdermabrasion creams. Usually the dead skin cells will slough off, allowing the skin to look shinier, brighter, less pigmentation, because what's exposed are the newer skin cells. Classically, skin takes 28 days from the time it's produced until the cell fully matures, so using exfoliation knocks off maybe 2 to 3 weeks of the maturing cell, so you're looking at more healthy skin. By seeing these healthier skin cells, it allows you to get into step 3, which would be the application of any kind of active treatment that you would want to use for your skin. That would be such things as antioxidants, depigmenting agents, glycolic acids, retin A type products that might benefit the new skin as it matures and grows out to help it make you look younger as it continues to grow. The 4th step would be basically appropriate moisturization of the skin, and that would be used in an attempt to try to, number 1, keep the actives in and keep the skin hydrated and keep the moisture in, which therefore allows wrinkling to be much less. Hydration can be carried out with moisturizers with oil, without oil. It can be done with products that are called ceramides, which are basically the normal fats or lipids that are in the skin that hold the moisture into the skin. Also, they can be done by numerous other products such as hyaluronic acid, which retains water into the skin and draws water into the skin, and this is available in numerous topical agents. The 5th step, which is also probably one of the most important, is to protect yourself from the sun exposure. The initial step would be to try to avoid sun between the hours of 10 and 2, to try to protect yourself physically by wearing a hat or a visor or long sleeves, using a sun protectant agent with an SPF of at least 15, and also a sun protectant agent that has protection against UVA and UVB rays. There are newer forms of sun protection on the market which act as physical protectants, whereby they reflect the sun and also don't allow for absorption of the sun. They are agents such as titanium dioxide or zinc oxide, which are older products, but now through modern technology have been able to be turned into nanoparticles and therefore are not seen on the skin, but basically serve their purpose. It's extremely important to protect your skin, and if you follow the 5 steps of the regimen I've recommended, I think you'll find yourself having a healthful and more youthful appearance.